everybody. This is Daniel Covert of DCovert Computers putting together another computer for sale. It's a AMD FX 6300. A little older, but still more than capable of playing pretty good games. Not the latest, but still more than capable of playing some games. Compare it with a GTX 1060 from, I believe, Gigabyte. So, yeah, screwing it all together. And I'll put in a power supply, which is going to be a test power supply. Power supply I'm putting in is coming, I believe, tomorrow. Or the next day. Or Sunday, I should say. Tonight is Friday, the 6th of March. So, let's put this all screwed in here and form this with the wire. It ain't going nowhere. So, I'm missing just the one screw, which I don't think I see anywhere where that can go other than over there in the corner. Yeah, a pocket shot. Yeah, that was a billiards joke. For reference. Ooh, I got a pocket shot. Sweet. Okay. Until I can get it. Do I have an SSD in here yet? I'll be using this Samsung 256 gigabyte SSD that I picked up from Goodwill. That was the case and the board. Well, board was in a previous case, so it was all nasty. As with the heatsink that I just spent a few minutes cleaning up with some compressed air and I saw not the best thing to use, but that's what I got. I mean, it cleans, so it doesn't smell horrible either. So, and this board works. I verified it, tested it on Linux. I've yet to test it on the Windows, but shouldn't have an issue if it runs Linux. More likely it will run Windows for the most part. I mean, it's a little dirty still here and there, but what it is, I mean, it does. Not perfect, but it'll do. And it's in some old piece. Oopsie daisy. I realized I was on the double chest door. Shit. How much paste do I generally use for this thing? Probably a dot, I would say. Put a little extra. Let's clean that heatsink up completely. Still needs a little hot left, but don't really have the energy or the time that I was spending to lapping it, so it is what it is. Around a bit so we can reach both sides of that screw. Fucking thing. Heatsink. Shoot. Let's see. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Come on. See somewhat through here. There we go. Alphas. Where's my power source? There. There we go. That's one side. The nail. Okay. Backwards. So now it's 2 screws. One over here. Try to figure out what. There we go. Okay. Pretty sure that's screwed into it. Okay, that's screwed in nice and tight. That's a good thing. Means it ain't coming out anytime soon. So there's a bit of a viewport here where fans usually would go. I'm gonna put in the fans that came with the old case in the top here. Well, the front of them anyway. Oh shit. There we go. Now it works. Just tuck that down there. Okay. Now tuck in that ram. Ay, ay, ay. It's gonna be a tight fit. That's the problem about that heatsink. This is big. I mean, the R3 in here, that's a bit bigger than it was originally in here, which was, I think total of 8, but across 4 sticks of 2. Which, oh boy. That was not gonna cut. Okay, I got 2 sticks of 4 here, I think. Yeah. I got one more in this split thing. TR4, got TR, got TR2. I got a million different sticks that I can use to test. 4 is 8, and 8. 4 is 8, and 4 is 12. No, that's should be more than enough to get some sort of a boot on for Windows. So it doesn't complain. Hi. Hey. Oh boy. Should have installed this before I installed the core. Another cracker. Oh jeez. Oh boy. I should get a replacement cooler, but I don't have the money for that right now. Ah, it's a nice cooler, but it feels nice, but like get that in. Nope. Hold on, busting the slot. I know. Okay. Let's see if I have some fours. I mean eights in here somewhere. I got a four. Eight, yeah. I got some eights. Okay. So, never mind. Which is a good thing. See if I can get this on here without busting the slot. Oh, I never actually done it. Okay, I think it's in. It's total 16 right there. Okay, now for the wiring. Get everything hooked up. So I'll cut it here. When I return, you'll probably see all the wires pulled up. Because I need to do